Hi, my name is Paul, and welcome to the next video in our WordPress walkthrough series where we're showing you step-by-step how to make this exact website. Now, in our last video, we went over how to set up a blog and put posts and things in there. In this video, we're going to go over how to make a photo gallery and put it on your website. These can be really useful if you're a photographer or a student or someone that needs to demonstrate a portfolio. Very helpful. Even if you just have a personal website and you want to show some photos to your friends and family, this can be really nice. So we're going to walk you through this. Let's start by going to the dashboard and going to the plugin section. Now, if you're unfamiliar with plugins, they're really powerful tools that let you expand the capability of your website without having to know a lot of code or anything. They're prepackaged bits of code for you. So we're going to go to the plugin section and we're going to add a new plugin. We're going to click Add New, and we're going to search for the one that we want. Now, we want to use the Next Gen gallery for this video. Search, and here it is, showed up right there, right at the top. Okay, it shows you some details. You can go visit the site for it. We're just going to click Install Now. It says yes, I want to install. And last but not least, I need to turn it on. So it's on my website, but it hasn't actually been activated yet. I'll click Activate. Perfect. Now on the left-hand side, you'll notice we have a new tool available to us. At the very bottom, it says Gallery. This is where we're going to go and add our photos first. After we add our photos to the gallery, then we can tell our website where we want to put them. So let's get that handled first. We're going to go to the gallery section, and we're going to click Upload Pictures, right there on the right. Now first, we need to add a couple galleries themselves, and I have 4 that I'm going to add. One is going to be called Sunny California. I'll add that one. Click Add. Let's add another one first before we start uploading. So I'll go back to Add Gallery and add one that's called Utah. Click Add Gallery. One more that I want to add. This one's going to be called On the Water. These are pictures of sailing and things like that on a lake. And I'm going to add one more gallery, and this is some pictures I took on a trip to Zion's National Park. So we'll just call it Zion's National Park. Add Gallery. So now we need to upload the pictures to these galleries. I'm going to click Select Files, and on my desktop I already have these broken up into folders. I'm going to go, let's do California first. Select all these pictures and choose, there they are, and I'm going to send them right here to which gallery? Sunny California. Perfect. And it's great, it does all the work for me. It uploads all the images, makes sure they all fit and they're proportioned correctly, even creates thumbnails for me. I just have to sit tight and wait a few seconds. Now let's do this for the rest of the photos as well. Now the nice thing is you can actually go back and change which photos are in which gallery, so don't feel like you have to commit to this right now, but it's sometimes nice to have everything organized right off the bat. Okay, perfect, we're set. So now our pictures are already uploaded and they're in their individual galleries. Now we're going to click on the left-hand side here where it says Manage Gallery. Let's click on that. You'll notice we have our 4 galleries. Let's, for example, pick this Sunny California gallery. This is where you can go and you can actually change what the files are called. So here, for example, I want to call this Capo Beach. That's where that was. This is a picture taken on PCH. And you can just go through all your pictures and retitle them. All you have to do then is click Save Changes, and our album is going to be updated like that. Now, one other thing you can do, which is really handy, is sort the pictures. Maybe you want some pictures to show up in different order. Click Sort Gallery, right there in the middle, and then you can just click and drag which pictures you want in which order. So, for example, I'll put the San Francisco pictures up right at the beginning. I kind of like how those look. Then I'll put the beach ones together up here, and then I'll put the mission pictures at the end there. Perfect. All I have to do is click Update, and now my pictures will show up in that order. So I won't waste time going through all of those right now, but now you get the idea. I'll go through and do that to all these other galleries. So once you have your galleries, you can go in there and you can rename them, reorder them, get them all ready to go. The next step, though, is finding a place to put them. So we're going to go back to our dashboard here, and we're going to make a new page. We're going to go here and click Add New. Now the new page is just a place for our pictures to go, so I'm going to call it Snapshots. There we go. And I want to put them in here, right? This is where I want the pictures to go. Well, right here, you have a little tool that pops up when you've installed this Next Gen Gallery plugin. We're going to click that, and it asks us, what do you want to put in your page? Well, I'm going to say I want the Utah pictures first. And I want it to just be an image list, right? And I'm going to click Insert. It puts the code in for you. You don't even know anything. There's something I want to do first, though. I want to title it, so I'm going to put above that Utah, just the name of the gallery. I'll put that in the middle, maybe bold it. Perfect. Now all I have to do is click Publish. Let's go back to our actual website, refresh it, and let's see if those changes took place. Click refresh. And we have a new page, snapshots. Let's click on it. And sure enough, we got some gallery already showing up. Now this page is kind of like my About page. I don't want the comments section on there, so I'm going to go and turn that off. We're going to go to Pages, back in our dashboard. We're going to go to the Snapshots page and edit that. And we're going to go to Screen Options, Comments, make sure those are selected, and we're going to turn them off and click Update. So now when we go and refresh this page, those comments right at the bottom down here, they should go away. Yep, they're gone. Perfect. So I can do this with multiple galleries. I can just keep adding them. So I'll add all those, and then one by one, I'll make space for the galleries to show up right underneath them. And these I will want to be bold. So I'll make them all stand out a little bit more. And then one by one, I'm just going to insert right here using this button the galleries I want. Perfect. Let's click Update. And let's go back to our website and see if that took place. Let's refresh it. Beautiful. Now we're in business. There we go. So I can click on any of these images and watch what happens. There they go. Full, pretty, full screen view for anyone that visits my website. They can just go scroll through those using even the arrow keys on their keyboard. So that's it. Now we have a gallery on our website. Now we're just one step away. We need to go and add a resume. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video.